Pioneer, this is a shocking news. Alam mo bakit? Kasi Pi Network right now is trading at approximately 34 cents. So isang sentimo na lang, babagsak na ulit tayo sa all-time low. At kung mabasag pa ang support line sa 34 cents, pwede na tayong dumiretso sa 30 cents. Bagong all-time low na naman na record ang mangyayari for the Pi Network. Well, samantalang si Bitcoin, it's trading above $110,000. Pero si Pi, totally ibang kwento. Well, hindi siya sumasabay sa bullish market. Gumagalaw lang naman siya sa sarili niyang mundo at the worst part is, pababa pa. So here's the big question, Pioneer. May pag-asa pa ba na umabot si Pi sa $10 or hanggang pangarap na lang talaga yon? Well, as of today, Pi Network is trading at 34 cents. Sobrang lapit sa pinaka all-time low. Imagine ha, isang sentimo na lang ang ibabagsak, all-time low na naman tayo ulit. This is a new record for the all-time low. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is strong above $110,000. Normally, when Bitcoin is very bullish, all altcoins are very bullish na rin. Pero si Pi, ibang klase. The correlation of Pi with Bitcoin is only 0.12. So para sa hindi familiar, correlation means kung gaano kasabay gumalaw ang dalawang assets. Zero means halos walang connection. Kaya kahit umaakyat ang market, si Pi hindi sumasabay. Nakastuck lang siya sa danger zone. But the bottom line, Pi Network is moving with the weak fundamentals. Ngayon, bakit nga ba ganito kahirap ang situation ni Pi? Well, there are 4 reasons na kailangan mong malaman. Number 1, enclosed mainnet. Hanggang ngayon, nasa enclosed mainnet pa rin si Pi. Wala pang open trading sa malalaking exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. Kaya, the liquidity is super low. Number 2, false expectations. Noong una, people expected that Pi Network should be $10 or $100. Pero today, hindi tayong maka-reach sa $1. Just imagine the disappointment of every pioneers. Since 2019, millions of pioneers have mined Pi Network. Pero ang iba, they take it as may transparency issues sa Pi core team. So technically, it's still unresolved. Para lang malaman mo, Pioneer, trust is everything para sa cryptocurrency space. Now, the number 4 is no real utility yet. Wala pang strong decentralized finance, NFT, marketplaces, or payment ecosystem. Kaya ngayon, Pi is very speculative, not functional yet. So kung pagsasama-samahin natin ito, there's no liquidity, no trust yet, no utility, kaya bumabagsak si Pi. Pero sige, let's imagine this. Ano ba talaga ang kailangan o mga kailangan para umabot si Pi Network sa $10 worth? Well, unang-una, Tier 1 exchange listings. Ibig sabihin, kapag na-list na si Pi sa Binance or Coinbase, liquidity will explode, of course. Millions of traders right now are not buying and selling Pi Network. Reason? Kasi nga, hindi pa sila accessible for other people. Second is the supply control. Remember, Pioneer, we have 100 billion max supply. Remember ha, max supply. Kung bigla silang mag-release ng sobrang daming Pi, magka-crash agad of course ang price. Kailangan ng controlled unlocking. Pangatlo ay ang real utility. This is the real game changer. So kailangan ni Pi gumamit ng real use cases, decentralized finance, NFT marketplaces, at payments. Well, kung ginagamit talaga sa real-world use cases, of course, the demand will rise and price could follow. Now, let's face the reality. According to CoinDesk data, kailangan ni Pi Network ng 2,780% na rally just to reach the $10. Projection nila, by 2050 pa mangyayari yon. It means 25 years pa ang kailangan lumipas from this year. So unless the Pi core team delivers transparency, real utility, and of course, the commitment. And the last thing that needs to be done is opening the mainnet. The future looks very uncertain. And right now, silence is the big red flag. Pero take note ha, being in token 2049 in Singapore is not silent thing. Nasa sa'yo na yan kung paano mo i-comprehend yun. Now, Pioneer, balik ko lang yung tanong sa'yo. Naniniwala ka pa ba na Pi Network could bounce back? Or sa tingin mo, tapos na ang laban ni Pi Network? Drop your thoughts sa comment section below. I want to hear your predictions. Kung naniniwala ka pa rin sa potential ni Pi Network, smash that like button. At kung gusto mo ng Pi Network updates, hit the subscribe and be part of the moving community. Now, this is Joshua Besonia, also known as Cryptoshua, reminding you, in crypto, timing and truth are everything. Now, what I want you to do is learn small and win big. See you next week.